Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of from fallen branches to gallery art design ideas for minimalist wood sculptures made with simple hand tools. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Crafting minimalist nature-inspired sculptures using only foraged branches and simple hand tools begins with a quiet shift in how we perceive the materials around us. In forests, parks, or even the edges of rural roads, fallen limbs and twisted branches often lie scattered across the ground, overlooked as debris left behind by storms or seasonal shedding. Yet within these irregular shapes lies an extraordinary opportunity for artistic transformation. When a craftsperson approaches these raw materials with patience and intention, the rugged fragments of trees become the starting point for refined sculptural forms that can hold their own in sophisticated interior spaces. The process is intentionally simple, relying not on loud machinery or complex industrial tools, but on the quiet precision of hand tools, such as a drawknife and a chisel. These tools allow the maker to interact directly with the wood, responding to its natural curves and textures rather than forcing it into predetermined shapes. In doing so, the craft becomes a dialogue between human creativity and the organic character of the material itself. Foraging branches is the first stage of this creative journey, and it is far more than a simple act of gathering wood. It requires observation and sensitivity to form. A branch that appears ordinary at first glance may reveal graceful curves, subtle twists, or natural branching points that lend themselves beautifully to sculptural interpretation. These organic lines are the foundation of minimalist design because they already carry a sense of balance created by nature. Unlike milled lumber, which often emphasizes straight lines and uniform dimensions, foraged branches bring unpredictability and individuality into the creative process. Each piece is shaped by the life of the tree, by wind and weather, by years of growth and stress. When artisans select branches with these qualities in mind, they begin to see potential forms hidden within the wood, almost as if the sculpture already exists inside the branch waiting to be revealed. This perspective transforms the act of collecting materials into an intuitive exploration of shape and possibility. Once a suitable branch is chosen, the process of carving begins with careful preparation. The bark may be partially removed to expose the grain beneath, revealing patterns that guide the next steps of shaping. Using a drawknife, the maker gently pulls thin layers of wood away from the surface, gradually refining the contours of the branch. The drawknife is particularly suited to this work because it allows long, controlled strokes that follow the natural grain. Rather than cutting aggressively, the blade glides along the wood, revealing smooth surfaces that still preserve the organic curvature of the original limb. This slow, deliberate method encourages mindfulness. Each movement of the tool becomes an act of listening to the wood, adjusting pressure and direction according to the grain's response. The result is a process that feels both physical and meditative, connecting the maker to the material in a way that modern power tools often obscure. The chisel then enters the process as a tool of refinement. While the drawknife shapes the overall silhouette, the chisel allows the craftsperson to define subtle details and transitions. Small facets can be carved along the edges to create a play of light across the surface, or certain sections can be flattened slightly to introduce contrast between natural curves and intentional geometry. This combination of organic form and subtle human intervention is what gives minimalist sculptures their distinctive presence. They appear both raw and refined at the same time, as if nature and craftsmanship have collaborated to create a balanced composition. By focusing on the essential lines of the branch and removing unnecessary bulk, the maker gradually reveals a sleek silhouette that retains the spirit of the original material while achieving a sense of deliberate design. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Minimalism plays a central role in elevating these carved branches from simple rustic objects to gallery-grade sculptures. In minimalist design, the absence of excess detail allows the viewer to focus entirely on form, proportion, and texture. A carefully carved branch mounted vertically on a base, for instance, can evoke the elegance of modern sculpture while still preserving the irregular beauty of the wood. The natural grain becomes a visual narrative, guiding the eye along the curves and contours of the piece. Because the design avoids unnecessary ornamentation, every detail carries significance. Even the smallest curve or notch contributes to the overall harmony of the sculpture. This restraint creates a sense of calm sophistication that resonates strongly with contemporary interior design. Modern homes often emphasize open spaces, neutral tones, and clean lines, making them ideal environments for sculptures that introduce organic warmth without overwhelming the visual balance of the room. The finishing stage further enhances the transformation of these raw branches into high-end decor accents. Instead of applying heavy coatings that conceal the texture of the wood, artisans often choose subtle finishes such as natural oils or matte sealants. These treatments penetrate the grain and deepen the natural color of the timber while preserving its tactile quality. When light falls across a hand-carved surface treated with oil, it reveals the delicate tool marks left behind by the drawknife and chisel. Rather than imperfections, these marks become evidence of the handmade process, reminding viewers that the sculpture was shaped slowly and intentionally. The tactile nature of the finish invites interaction, encouraging people to run their hands along the curves and experience the wood as both visual and physical art. The economic potential of these minimalist sculptures also emerges from their uniqueness. Each foraged branch carries a distinct shape and grain pattern, ensuring that no two finished pieces are identical. This individuality aligns perfectly with the growing demand for one-of-a-kind decor items that reflect personal taste and sustainable values. Buyers who seek distinctive accents for their homes often prefer handcrafted sculptures precisely because they cannot be replicated by mass production. When artisans present their work within this narrative of sustainability and craftsmanship, the perceived value of the sculpture increases significantly. What began as a discarded branch becomes a curated design object that embodies both environmental awareness and artistic skill. Ultimately, crafting minimalist, nature-inspired sculptures from foraged branches represents a powerful reminder that creativity does not depend on elaborate resources. By stripping away the industrial noise of modern production and returning to simple tools and natural materials, artisans rediscover the essence of craftsmanship. The forest provides the raw forms, the drawknife and chisel reveal their hidden potential, and thoughtful design transforms them into objects that resonate within contemporary interiors. Through patience, observation, and respect for the material, rugged fragments of the natural world become elegant expressions of minimalist art. These sculptures stand as quiet bridges between nature and modern living, proving that the path from forest floor to refined design is not defined by complexity, but by intention, imagination, and the enduring beauty of wood shaped by human hands. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked from fallen branches to gallery art design ideas for minimalist wood sculptures made with simple hand tools. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.